Hey everybody, Wil-Dog here. Today I'm going to read the book, Oi Puppies. This book is written by Kes Gray and illustrated by Jim Field. Oi Puppies, written by Kes Gray and illustrated by Jim Field. Again. Oi, oi, oi! What is that infernal noise? Asked the cat. Yes! Where's all that barking and yapping coming from? Said the frog. I'm looking after some puppies, said the dog. Yap, bark, yap, yap, bark. How many puppies? Frowned the frog. Quite a lot of puppies, gulped the dog. This one's called Tittle. This one's called Buster. This one's called Jock. That one's called Rover. And this one's called Milo. Sit, Milo, said the cat. He won't sit, said the dog. Sit, Tittle, said the frog. She won't sit either, said the dog. Why won't they sit? Asked the cat. Because they're puppies, said the dog. Puppies are far too busy being puppies to sit. Hold on, said the cat. I thought puppies sat on guppies. That's right, said the frog. Not these puppies, said the dog. These puppies are really badly trained. There's a puppy hanging from my whiskers, frowned the cat. He's called Spot, said the dog. There's a puppy chewing my swimming trunks, said the frog. She's called Lolly, said the dog. What are these puppies called? Asked the frog. Tickle, Blue, Scamp, Rebel, Smudge, and Shep, said the dog. And what are these puppies called? Frowned the cat. Winnie, Cheeky, Spike, Flash, Tribble, and Trixie, said the dog. Well, do something about them, yelled the cat. Let me make a phone call, said the frog. Oi Animal Seeding Supply Company. Where do you want everything? Said the delivery truck. On the next page, please, said the frog. Look, gasped the dog. Buster is sitting on Duster, and Jock is sitting on a clock. That's right, smiled the frog. Buster's on a duster, Jock's on a clock, and Tittle is on a fiddle. That's not all, smiled the cat. Milo's on a lilo, Tickle's on some pickles, and Smudge is on some fudge. I wonder what Spot is sitting on, said the dog. Spot is on a yacht, said the frog. Spot's on a yacht. Shep's on a step. Scamp's on a lamp. Cheesy's on tzatziki. Blue's on a shoe. I wonder what Lolly is sitting on, said the cat. Lolly's on a trolley, said the frog. Lolly's on a trolley. Trixie's on a pixie. Flash is on a splash. Spike is on a trike, Winnie's on a penny, and Trouble is on a bubble. That's amazing, said the dog. I've never seen so many puppies so well behaved. Hold on. What do tadpoles sit on? Said the dog. And kittens that are allergic to mittens, said the cat. Why do you ask? Frowned the frog. Oi, taxi! The end.